So as in last video we will discuss about the introduction to the acid, bases and salts. In this video we will discuss about the bronsted-lowery theory, which means theories of acid and bases. Bronsted-Lowery theory. Now what is mean by Bronsted-Lowery? Bronsted and Lowery, these were the two scientists. These were the two scientists who work on the theory. Basically, this is a theory of acid and bases. Acid and bases. So basically, Bronsted and Lowery, these are the two scientists. One was a J.J. Bronsted, and another was a Silicon Lowery. So these are the two scientists who work on this theory. So in this theory, they all discuss about the acid and bases, which substance is acid and which substance is base. So here we will discuss. So first 2 points were that acid and bases. Acids are those who donate proton, who donate hydrogen ion, who donate. That was the first point of Bronsted-Lowery theory. Who donate proton, that is a hydrogen ion, right? And bases are those who we can say accept that proton, who accept, or we can say receive that proton, that is a hydrogen ion. So after that, if we write here we can say a equation, that is NH3 plus H2O. Now in this we cannot identify which is an acid or which is a base, right? But here we can, like that. After a reaction, it give us a like this, NH4 plus OH. Now in this reaction we can clearly see that here this one hydrogen is accepted by this NH4 ammonia. This is accepted by this one. So as we have written here, the acid are those who donate proton and bases are those who accept proton. Now here this H2O donate its proton, so it will be the acid, and NH3 who accept that proton, that will be the base. Here we are having hydrogen, 4 hydrogen in NH. So we can see here that H2O donate its one proton, one hydrogen, and give it to NH3, that it become NH4. So this will be NH3 will be the base. We can identify easily NH3 will be the base who receive, who accept proton, you can see here, and H2O will be the base who acid who donate proton. So that was about the acid and base that was given by the Bronsted-Lowery. After that, here we are having two terms that is written in our book, that is a conjugate acid and conjugate base. Now what are these? Conjugate acid and conjugate base. What are these? These we can say basically, I am here explaining. The product of Bronsted-Lowery acid is the product. If there is written Bronsted-Lowery acid or Bronsted-Lowery base, there is a simple acid and bases. It was described by Bronsted-Lowery, that is why it is known as a Bronsted-Lowery acid or Bronsted-Lowery base. So the product of Bronsted-Lowery acid is conjugate base, and the product of Bronsted-Lowery base, the product of Bronsted-Lowery base is conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. Now what are these conjugate acid and base? As I have written here, the product of acid, this is H2O, we are having acid, right? So the product of H2O is OH.